Good day, friends. Learn new words with identical pronunciation. It's so easy. Visit my channel, please subscribe, and quickly expand your vocabulary in Russian. And today topic is medicine. The full story on this topic is in the footnotes. And diaphragm. Диафрагма. Диафрагма. Aorta. 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 Capillaries. Capillary. Capillary. Vein. Vena. Vena. Nose. 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 Organism. 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 Sinus. 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 Symptom. Symptom. Symptom.